You guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Silver unboxing today. Silver unboxing, there are not many views, you know, but anyway, I'm doing, you know, unboxing because remember one time when I did this wonders, it was empty box, okay? so welcome back to my new channel. So let's unbox, okay? By the way, it cracked, you know, it arrived like this, okay? I didn't, you see, it's kind of strange, right? But let's see if any, looks like everything okay. But any surprises here, who knows? Okay. And one more box here. Voila. Yeah, I got discount from UpMax, like 15 bucks. They send me email, so like I say, okay, let's spend it, right? Let's spend it. You cannot go wrong with silver. Elon Musk stocks silver. So what we get here? We get the 7 wonders, guys. The 7 wonders, okay? And we get a new collection, Predators. Apex Predators, lion with hyenas. Okay, so let's first start with the 7 wonders, okay? As you see here, I have first and I have second one, right? What was the first one? You know, the first one, let's open them, right? I think it will be very interesting for everyone if I can open them. Colossus of Rhodes. Yes, this was the first one, Colossus of Rhodes. Okay, Colossus of Rhodes. Even has this small piece. Okay, the second one, let me remove it like this. Let me move it like this. Colossus of Rhodes. The second one was, I like when it's all organized, right? You also like it, right, guys? The Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Gardens of Babylon. This was the second one, okay? And by the way, I don't know, I pick also 20s. I'm not yet selling them. The time is not right. I pick up, you know, pack of 21 for, you know, Hanging Gardens of Babylon. And I also pick a pack of 20 of Colossus of Rhodes. Yeah, and interesting, you know, on reverse obverse, 1 drachma and 10 shekel, you know, 10 shekel. It's of course it's not the shekel which we have today. Yeah, but they are proof coins, and they are really proof. They're looking very nice, and yeah, why not? You know, I'm thinking, what is my plan is to build collection, because you know, this collection is unique. You know, it will be 7 of them, right? Not 10, not 21, you know, 7. You know, it's limited. It's UpMax inclusive. It's limited. It's only 20. You know, I say, like, what the heck? Let me buy, you know, 20. Here we have one more. And this is also tetra drachma. Oh, it's a tetradrachma. Very nice. You see, it's all Middle East. You know, it's all Middle East collection. Tetradrachma. So I pick up pack of 20. You know what I like about them? You see, they have this 1 ounce 999 silver on a H. You know, it can be better if they can, you know, put here what is the number, serial number, kind of. You know, they don't have it. But it can complete, because there are only 7777 like this. I don't remember, 700 or something like this. I need to check how many of them. Yeah, it's a 7777. Really, I don't know, when the first was for sale, yeah, it was like 1 month, you know, 7,000 they were selling long time, okay? But anyway, it's like, I think it's worth to try, you know, because it's, as I say, you know, it's a really like Middle East collection, and my plan is to build all of them and then sell as a collection, not one by one, because from my experience, Also selling on eBay, you know, also selling on other, you know, other platforms. From my experience, when you have collection, you sell it quickly, trust me. When I have collection, I'm selling on eBay, it literally 2-3 days and it's gone. Okay, it's only a matter of time. When I say have single coin, it may take months to sell, but collection usually go very quickly. Yeah, because people, you know, it's everything done. You did work what they want to do, right? They buy coins from different year, and if when the price is right and you have entire collection, why not to buy it? Okay, so voila. Now we have one more. I hope it's not empty, Upmex. One time, it looked like no. One time they sent me empty box, okay? Wonders. Voila. Empty box. No. Okay, so this is, yeah, Lighthouse of Alexandria. Lighthouse of Alexandria. Very nice. Very nice coin. Let's see it close. Lighthouse of Alexandria. I think it's a little bit, yeah, maybe need to clean up capsule. Maybe need to do a cleanup for capsule. Yeah, I believe it's the same coin which we have. I need to open it and see what the heck is going on inside. Let me open capsule and see what's going on here. We can see together. Yeah, the quality of all this stuff is went down. Let us see together. You know what? It's probably the capsule, guys. Yeah, it's a capsule. Okay. Yeah, it's a capsule. Okay. Yeah, the coin is perfectly fine. It's a capsule, guys. I don't know why they cannot find a good. I need to replace the capsule. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, so as I said, try to build collection. Try to build collection of all of them. And yeah, once I will build 7 of them, you know, then I will sell it, you know, as a collection. They're supposed to go very quickly. And one more I got today from Upmex. It's a new collection. It's a Silver Apex Predators, Lion version Hyenas BU. So, you know, it's always nice to see this, what they call it, Big Five, right? Predators, right? I like the Predators. I have some of them, you know, Congo. I have Congo Predators. I built 2 of these collections. And this should be really nice. What I paid? 30 bucks? Maybe okay. You know, 30 bucks, you don't know what you will have with silver. It's hard to sell, you know, above $45. But for 30 bucks, you need to see and after pay taxes and pay, you know, eBay fees, you know, worth it or not. So I buy only one, okay? Enough from them. And also I hate this, you know, Elizabeth face. So yeah, but I like Predators, you know. So Hyena vs Lion. Very nice, very nice. Will be very interesting collection to watch. Okay, so that's it, guys. I want to update you on my silver journey, and if you like, subscribe, hit notification. Capsule is going to be updated. You know, I hate all this, you know, going back and forth. Hey, your coin is a dematch, you know, update it. I hate it. Okay, but capsule, it's okay, not a big deal. Okay, guys, like, subscribe, hit notification, and love you all. Remember, silver must to have in your portfolio. Okay, whatever you stock, you know, even you know junk silver or you know constitution silver or premium silver like I'm stocking, because I play this game. I don't know what will be the silver, but with the premium silver you cannot go wrong. You always can resell it, and you can resell it, you can make 20-30% profit. You know, this is what I am doing. I'm reselling something, make some profit, so I'm getting most of them, you know, kind of half price or, you know, close to spot price. Okay, this is my way, but I like this, you know, Middle East, you know, 10 shekel, you know. You see, they don't have this Elizabeth face, you know. This is why, basically, this is why I collected them, you know. Not only 7 wonders, but they really represent the history, you know, not only now who is ruling this war. Tetradrachma, very cool, very cool. Yeah, and all this ornament, you know, around the coin, it's very cool. Yeah, it should be nice collection. And if you look on this, you know, on a side, kind of, it looked like a bronze, you know. Very interesting how they did it, very cool. It looked like a bronze, you know. If you look like this, it's more like a golden a little bit. No, very cool coin. I suggest you look into them, guys, if you can find them. I believe first version already gone. Time itself is not yet, because I see they are on eBay like $45, okay. But I believe when everything will be sold, like 7, and only 7,700, you know, in circulation, it should be nice, you know. It should be nice, nice to sell the entire collection, right? And this is I stuck for myself, you know, in these packages. Yeah, like gift box, tin gift box, you know. Look okay, you know, not something, but for such coin should be okay. Okay, guys, silverGameOfThrone was with you. Please like, subscribe, hit notification. Love you all. Silver, Elon Musk, stock silver. All the best. Remember, most in our life is a big fat, but this stuff is not. Bye bye.